Okay, I went off from Daniel's house straight up, and that took me across the street. Where the house is across the street is vacant. And right now I'm pretty much straight behind it, best I can tell. Now I'm gonna flatten out. I'm at about 94 feet, and I'm gonna spin around. Now that's back toward home, where the light's at. The sun was toward where I was gonna be going back home, so that's home. And that's where I wanted to come back to, was there. And then all of a sudden it caught satellite signals or something happened. I'm not sure what. I've been trying to figure out what happened. But all of a sudden it just started going crazy. So we were just hovering and looking at the sky, and then see it updated the home point and started giving satellites. I don't know what caused that. But all of a sudden it's getting this, and it starts going right, and then back left, it's backing away, and it hit a tree, and then it went down. And when I got to the ground, I was able to restart it and get it up. And I'd be able to look around and see the trees up above. So it did have opening, and then there's the log. Now this, you see the log right here. My drone is laying right at the end of that log. So there's the log. Come back to this end. It's going to be laying there when it lands, because it's going to come down just a second. But I'm looking around to see what I can find. I wished I'd have turned more. That's just being a rookie pilot, and it got away. So I'm gonna hit the taking it down button and put it back on the ground here. And but it's gonna be laying right beside this log. So we just got to find that log, and that's across the street and up the wash a little ways, I think. So just have to go scouting, put on some boots and go. If anybody finds it, hey, let us know, please. Daniel, please put that on your group for your neighborhood and let them know, please, and see if you can help me. Thank you, guys. Grandpa lost his drone. I appreciate the help. Thank you.